Hey, Coca. What colors do you like? Blue or pink? Blue? Okay, the same as your shirt, right? Okay, blue here. Hey, when I ask you, you run and ring the bell, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Uh-oh. Coca, what do you see? Go and ring the bell. Yeah, what do you see? What do you see, Coca? I see? I see
I see
an
apple.
apple tree.
Apple tree.
I see an apple tree.
I see apple tree.
Oh, well done. Go back over there. Go back. Okay. Now I count 1, 2, 3. You run, okay? 1, 2, 3. Go. Ring. Uh-oh. Alright, so gentle. Gentlemen. Hey, Coca, what colors are the apples? What colors? Blue? What color? They are green and I'm confused. How to say? They are green and red. They are green and red. Uh-oh. Say, they are green and red. Okay. Thank you anyway. I'm confused.